Well, hello friends and family and everybody else on the internet. Here we are today, Edmonton, Alberta. We did not have the opportunity to leave the city, so we are making do with what we've got. And luckily enough, there's a river in the city. So, with a Costco kayak, a fishing rod from Bass Pro, and a little bit of sunscreen because I'm pasty white, and we should have ourselves a great day. Luckily enough, we brought some books. We have
no idea how long
the duration of this little kayak's gonna be. We did not bring Stevie today because we figured we would try it out first, see how it goes. The river doesn't look like it's moving that fast today, but I mean, this is the first time out on moving water, so we thought we'd at least just give it a crack on our own, and then we'll kind of see where it goes.
Been really high this year,
so here we go. Look at this. But first, baby. It wasn't as awkward as I thought it was gonna be.
Really? Woohoo! Ooh, yeah. More. But first, let me take a selfie. I just ruined my Instagram.
Kind of just want to yell at a little kid, "Don't spit on me," just to make him laugh.
Are there little kids?
Get underneath there. Look how cool that is.
No!
No!
Go ahead!
It's pretty shallow, I wouldn't, but I mean...
I can't come over there.
I wonder if they're from that boat. It's a beautiful day today. Couldn't have asked for a better day. All right, well, here we are about 2.5 hours in. As you can see behind us, the downtown district somewhat of Edmonton. I would say we're almost about... couldn't have asked for a better day than it is right now. I mean, I feel like I'm probably gonna get a little bit of sun, but I mean, no complaints from me. I mean, it's super enjoyable. Super, super enjoyable.
Highly recommend it.
Here we are, second battery on the GoPro, going up for our, what would you say, this is 7th bridge?
About that, yeah, maybe
Probably the 7th
more.
bridge. Definitely a lot longer than we were expected. Probably been on the water for about 4.5 hours. We'll probably have another at least 2 left. Still a great day. Still happy. Burning a little bit. Definitely feeling it on my back. Thank God for sunscreen. Sam's over here just reading the Bible, touching up on the story of Solomon. Thought I'd just give you a little quick update of where we're at, and I will see you in a bit.
Road runner.
Well, here we are again, getting more and more sarcastic as the day goes by.
5.5 hours in.
5.5 hours in, and we are reaching the northwestern quadrant of Edmonton, and we know that because this behind us is Yellowhead. A little bit of traffic. Sam has decided to risk her life and do a little bit of a standing paddle motion.
Just gotta stretch those legs.
So absolutely beautiful moment. For the last like 30 minutes, I was standing up paddling us down as she was reading First Kings, and it was just such an awesome moment, and I really wanted her to try it out. So here she is.
Here I am.
So I'm thinking, I still think there's like another hour left.
At least, yeah.
We parked pretty far away from from the ring road.
If like anybody that's familiar with Edmonton, I guess, like we parked over by the waste management site.
Past the waste management.
Well, yeah, past the waste management site, so we have quite a ways to go yet.
So,
but we're moving along.
Yeah. Getting there. That's the bridge there.
Yellowhead.
So, this is gonna be a long video, so I do apologize for taking up all this time in your precious day, but we figured we would vlog it.
Yeah.
Right, babe?
Right, babe.
Wow. I hope I got that. I don't know if I did or not.
I don't know. It seemed like it was kind of pointed upwards.
What time is it?
7:10.
We've been on the water for about 7 hours.
Yeah,
It's been a great day.
it has been.
It's been such a beautiful day. We've
Look
pretty
how
much
still the water is. It's amazing.
yeah, we have to paddle or we go nowhere. It's been absolutely amazing. I feel like the place where we parked our car is just not too far up. I think maybe another 30 minutes and we should be out of here. But wow, didn't even cast the rod once, which is fine.
It's okay. We're just enjoying the day.
Pretty much read the whole First Kings book, and wow.
I think the beaver's behind us now because I just saw an air bubble come up.
I really hope I got that on film. That'd be sweet. That'd be a good way to start it. Holy moly.
Canada A.
Canada 8. Hoo-wee. Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We got back to the truck and we're super excited and just really tired. So we went, got some ice cream and basically just chilled out for the rest of the night. So again, thanks for watching. I know this video was a little longer than I would like to have seen it, but that's okay. Please feel free to reach out. Let me know your feedback of it. We are excited to do a little bit more of these videos in time. So again, your support is appreciated, and sorry for not ending this video like I would want, but that's okay. There's always next time. Take care.